and hope you people are doing great at your home. Be safe and careful. And the today's topic that we are going to discuss is we are going to move in our next chapter, that is our environment. Yes, in the last class we are completed with the heredity, with the last topic, that is sex determination in living organism, or you can say that human beings. Correct? There we have discussed some differences and different conditions on which sex is going to be determined. Few cases it is environment dependent too, but in our case it is mostly hereditary. That is, it is going to be decided by the parents, means the type of gamete which is going to be transferred from the parents to the offspring, or the combination and pairing of the sex chromosome. Okay, so the next, according to the syllabus of the CBSE, is our environment. So today is a general introduction class. We are not going to very deep. Just we will discuss about few things I think we are lacking in our society nowadays. So when we use the term environment, what comes in your mind? When we use this term, that is environment, you people have heard many times that your grandfather and mother used to say that in our times environment was something different. Nowadays environment is not too good or not suitable. Sometimes you people only yourself, you people discuss that the environment of that particular class is not good, but environment of that class is very good. The environment of a particular that school is very good for the study. Why are we using such words like environment and all? Is it there? Yes. Why we are using it? So thing is that wherever the living organism present, okay, or they are existing, they are interacting themselves, to that particular area. Okay. Now they are interacting to whom? Yes, they are interacting to whom? So while we are see the meaning of environment in terms of language is different, in terms of biology or in terms of science is different. So actually it is nothing but, and we can say that environment is interaction. It is interaction among living organisms. Interaction among living organisms to its surrounding. Yes, to its surrounding. Now this surrounding term in itself with comparison to the living organism gives many things. Yes, when we talk about its surrounding, it will include both living factors and non-living factors. Now pay attention here. I have mentioned living and non-living. See, you are studying from your second, third and fourth standard that they are living. There are some differences in living and non-living materials. In that you take examples of fan, table, pen, such kind of things. But here the non-living that we are discussing is not about that non-living. Okay? It is actually living factors are known as in environment when we talk about the component of environment or ecosystem. Okay? Ecosystem. When we talk about environment, actually it is related to the ecosystem in which there is interaction among living and non-living. Yes, what are they? Okay, the living factors are known as abiotic. The living factors are known as biotic, and the non-living are called abiotic. Okay, are known as abiotic. Okay, so we will use this, not this one. What? Its surrounding means it is interaction of living organism with the biotic and abiotic factors. Okay? Interaction of living organism with surrounding, that is biotic and abiotic factors. Now we will go to an example. Okay? We will take an example. Actually, the environment we have been saying is actually ecosystem. Different days, depending upon the climatic conditions, okay, there is adaptation of the living organism, and in that way there is, depending upon the climatic condition, there is interaction among living and non-living, that is among biotic and non-biotic factors. So they are going to form your ecosystem. Okay, there is flow of energy. Now, listen. Few things. Sun. Yes, we all know the sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms on the earth. Yes, all the living organisms which are existing on the earth, directly or indirectly, they obtain their energy for their substances is actually obtained from the sun. Okay, obtained from the sun. So what I was saying, that let's take the example of a garden. Okay, just take the example of a garden. Okay, in the garden you will, what you will see? You will see biodiversity. Yes, bio. Okay, you will see biodiversity in a garden. How come? You will see different types of flower. Yes. Different types of flower, butterfly, and different types of insect. Correct? Different types of flower, different types of insect, different types of small animals. Like lizard, squirrel, birds, chameleon, yes, different kinds of. So you can see the diversity in your garden of the living organism. Correct? Now, is the food source is common to everyone? Yes? No. What is the food of a particular bird? Maybe grain, and another will be insect. Yes, and now maybe frog can eat a particular kind of insects. Same way snake going to eat frog. So what you will see, the food is not common. So for obtaining food also there is interaction among different organisms. Yes, so that is the interaction among the living organisms. Next thing, the all living organisms that you are seeing in your garden. Okay. All the living organisms that you are seeing in your garden, are they survive? Are they survive without light? Without air? Without water? Without soil? Yes? Are they can? No. We all cannot survive without all these factors. These factors are very much necessary for our survival. So, these factors are known as what? These factors are known as abiotic factor. These factors are known as abiotic factor. Means abiotic factors are those factors which are very much necessary for the survival of the biotic factor. So we can say that our environment and ecosystem is the result of the interaction among living organisms to their non-living factors. Means among the biotic to its surrounding with abiotic. Okay, with abiotic. So it is interaction among biotic with abiotic sustains their life. Okay. So this is what is environment. Okay. So this is a basic introduction, and hope you people got the idea about what is biotic and abiotic factors. Please don't get confused. In abiotic factor, don't give examples of non-living things like table, fans, such things. Okay? Because abiotic, we are saying reason behind abiotic means biotic cannot be survived without those factors. Because I told you the sun. Okay? As I told you, sun is the source of energy. Yes. But it provides what? Light energy. This is physical form.
Mr. Prakash Devmoria, Mr. Pankaj Tiwari.
Light energy is not this light energy.
And Mr. Rajesh Kumar, join the staff.
Chemical energy. Am I correct? Chemical energy. By process of what? Photosynthesis. By process of photosynthesis. So this photosynthesis is going to be performed by plant, and few bacteria are also there. But mostly it is plant which have the capability to convert this light energy into the chemical energy in the organic form. Okay, so they are actually producing food to all the other living organisms except plant. I am saying that it is actually plant who are going to produce the food to all living organisms, whether it is directly or indirectly. That is the reason they are known as producer. Got it? That is the reason they are known as producer, and the food that is going to be produced by the plant is going to be consumed by different organisms. So they are known as consumer. They are known as consumer. Got it? So this is the major difference. In the next class, we will be going in details with all those topics also, because this is an introduction class. So we got the producer, we got the consumer. Now, what about the old, damaged, dead animals, plant, fallen leaf, and other biodegradable garbages? Okay, when they are found fall on the soil, they need to be degraded. Yes, because if it is not going so on, there will be a big hump of the waste product, biodegradable waste product. They may cause different kinds of disease and all. So there are decomposers also. There are decomposers also. There are decomposers also which are going to break down the dead matters into the simple form, which is going to be mixed in the soil in the form of nutrition, and they are going to be used by the plant again. So there are few cycles, few methods taking place in our environment, so that the source of transfer of energy should not be stopped. It is in continuous form, because an ecosystem is only functional. An ecosystem is only functional if there is flow of energy. Means the flow of energy should be continuous. If the flow of energy is going to be stopped, see, the flow of energy can be in any form. It's not like only in light form. Okay, light is the source. Yes, first source. It is converted by the plant. Again, herbivorous, they consume, eaten by carnivorous. In this way, finally they get die. Top carnivorous die, they get degraded, release the energy in the soil. Again, plant consume. So this transfer of energy in different form should be continued, because if it is going to be stopped, the function or the ecosystem is also not going to be functional. So to become an ecosystem functional, there is need of continuous supply of energy. Okay, so hope you people will got the introduction concept of the environment and ecosystem. Now, few things we can discuss. You will see our environment form as an ecosystem depending upon the interaction and depending upon the climatic factors. We can say there are different types of ecosystem. Okay, different types of ecosystem. One we can say natural, which is existing naturally. Okay, natural, and another one is your artificial. The ecosystem that we are talking about in our environment. Okay, ecosystem is interaction or environment is interaction between the biotic and abiotic factor. Now, natural forest. Just do we grow forest? No, it is natural. Desert. River. Do we make rivers? No, natural. Ocean. Lake. Few lakes are, you can say, artificial but mostly natural. Okay. These come under natural ecosystem. They have their different kinds of habitat. Depending upon that habitat and condition, different kinds of organisms are there. Their food habit going to be different, and depending upon the local place or in the niches in which they are adapted. So these are natural. Artificial, if you are going to talk, there is aquarium in our house in which fishes are kept. Yes, that is artificial. Agriculture field in which we grow crops. Okay, agriculture field, pond that we made, there are artificial ponds. So these are common. Means man-made ecosystem is actually known as artificial ecosystem, and the ecosystem which are naturally existed are called natural ecosystem. Okay, and in all this ecosystem you will see the interaction among biotic and abiotic factors. So this is our introductory class, and I hope you people understood the initial concept that how environment differ from region to region. Yes, and biotic and abiotic factor combination form the ecosystem. Okay, so in the next we will discuss about next topic, and yes, with that, thank you. And yes, if you people have any doubt, leave in the comment section. I will surely try to come up with that. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.